I'm here today to talk about a new concept of ice cream counter. It's the PAI, built-in autonomous top. What is it? In practice, the ice cream maker, when working with the tops counter, is perhaps having difficulties because certain flavors can be a little more compact, others softer. We know that the temperature must be kept the same at least for each module, so you can handle the ice cream normally, unless there are different modules. So maybe someone makes softer flavors, for example those that contain alcohol or that have a higher amount of sugar and consequently a higher freezing power, and then he keeps them at a lower temperature. But often we have 6, 8, 10 modules, so for an ice cream maker who likes to experiment and wants to make some personalized taste with old models, it becomes quite difficult. This counter has the possibility to have practically a different temperature for each well, and among other things, each well can be double, with a double top, maintaining a constant temperature both above and below. There are technical conditions that have allowed this, but the operator concern is that they can define the temperature of each well. If I decide to make an ice cream, such as tiramisu or eggnog, where I put a certain amount of marsala with the great antifreeze power, the ice cream softens if I keep it at the same temperature as others. So I can lower or raise the temperature to get the desired taste without operating on a lowering of the freezing power that would compromise or change the taste. Another interesting thing is the possibility to put completely different products inside the same counter.
Prodotti completamente diversi, al di là delle ricette che chiaramente ognuno le può bilanciare in modo precisissimo e quindi
beyond the recipes that can be balanced in a very precise way, considering more the aromatic organoleptic aspect rather than the structural one, there is the possibility of putting the whipped cream, the ice cream and even the granita in the same counter, having the opportunity for those who have this type of needs to set different products in the same counter.
Prodotti diversi e che quindi danno una possibilità di organizzare il proprio lavoro in modo ottimale. Quindi si tratta di un'innovazione che può essere veramente molto interessante per gli artigiani.
This is a breakthrough for those who decide to create their own recipes independently in a personalized way, enhancing the flavor they have sought with special ingredients, satisfying their customers in this way.